In today's video, I'm going to teach you customize your mouse buttons to AutoCAD commands. If you've ever wished your mouse could do more of the heavy lifting while you draft, this quick customization will make your workflow faster and more comfortable. Start in your drawing the way you normally do, then go straight to the command line and type CUI, all lowercase, and press Enter. This opens the Customize User Interface, often called the CUI. Think of the CUI as your control center for how AutoCAD responds to your inputs: keyboard, ribbon, toolbars, and, in our case, mouse buttons. Inside the CUI window, look for the section labeled Mouse Buttons. Select it to reveal a list of the different click types AutoCAD recognizes. You'll see entries for a simple click, combinations like Shift plus click and Control plus click, and other mouse button variations depending on your device and setup. Each of these can hold a command or action. When you expand any of these entries, you'll see the function currently assigned to that click. This view makes it easy to understand what your mouse is doing right now. From here, you can add or remove functions to match how you like to work. For example, if there's a command you use constantly, maybe a navigation tool, a modify command, or a toggle, you can map it to a simple click for quick access. If you want a modifier-based action, assign it to a Shift plus click or a Control plus click. This lets you keep your primary mouse behavior simple while unlocking powerful shortcuts when you hold a key. To change an assignment, select the click type and review the function listed. If you don't need it, remove it so the slot is clear. Then add the command you want in its place. Aim for consistency with the way you already work. Keep frequently used commands on the simplest clicks and reserve more complex combinations for secondary tasks. And remember that some default behaviors are handy, so avoid replacing anything you rely on every day unless you have a better option in mind. Once your assignments look good, apply the changes and confirm them. Back in your drawing, test each click you customize to make sure it performs exactly as expected. If something doesn't feel right, you can return to the CUI and tweak it until it's perfect. And there you go. Type CUI, open mouse buttons, review the available click types, and add or remove functions to match your workflow. That's all.